Most welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to start very important question, arithmetic progression class 11th math part 9. Let us see. Here the first question is what? Solve 1 plus 6 plus 11 plus 16 plus that is plus x equal to 148. So we have to solve this question. So we have to find the value of x. First you check the given series in AP or not. So AP is what? When the common difference is same, that is second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, the difference is constant, that is same, then the given series will be in AP. So here 6 minus 1, 5, 11 minus 6, 5, 16 minus 11, 5. So given series in AP. Let us see what is given in the question. A is given 1 and common difference second minus first given 5 and the last term, that is an, is given what? 140, right? It is given, and sum of n terms is also given what? 149. Now you know sum of n terms formula is what? N by 2. So n is not given. 2a, so 2 into 1 is what? 2 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? Common difference, that is 5. So formula is what? N by 2, 2a. So 2 into 1, 2 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? 5. And this is given how much? 148. Now we can write this one, that is n by 2. And this is what? 2 plus 5n minus 5. This equal to 148. So here 5n into n is what? 5n square. Similarly 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3. So this is minus 3n. So this is minus 3n. Now this 2 multiply to this will get 296. So it will come in LHS, we will get what? Minus 296 equal to what? 0. Now this is quadratic equation. So how can we solve? Rule is what? Just multiply the coefficient of x square. So here n square and the constant term. So 5 multiply 296 will get what? 5 6 are 30. 5 9 are 45, 3 48. 1480. Now you make a factor in such a way that sum of the two factor is what? Minus 3. And product is what? That is 1480. So let us see. Here this is 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8. Again this is 2 3 ja 6, 2 7. Now we can go for 37, 10. So you know well, 10 into 2, 20 into 2, 40. So 40 minus 37 is what? 3. So we are getting minus 3. So we will write what? See. This is 5n square minus 40n plus 37n and minus 296 equal to what? 0. So minus 40n plus 37n is what? Minus 3. When we multiply this number by 40 and 37, we will get what? Minus 1480. Now we are taking common 5. So here we are taking common what? This is 5n square. Here 40n my plus 37. Here what? 296. So here we are getting 59 square minus this is what? 40n minus 40n plus 37 and here. So if we will take common 5n, so n minus 8. Again here we are taking common n only. So this is a 37n. So we are getting common what? 37. So this is n minus 8. Now you see here n minus 8 and here n minus 8. So we can take common n minus 8. So in first we will get what? 5n. In second 37. So this is n minus 8 into 5n plus 37 is what? 0. So when n minus 8 is 0, n is what? 8. When 5n plus 37 is 0, so then n is what? Minus 37 by 5. But this is negative, so n cannot be negative. So n is what? 8. But we have to solve, we have to find what? X. So nth term is given what? 1 nth term is given what? That is x. Last term is given x. Last term is this, and n is given x. This 148 is what? Sum of n term. So now you know n is given x. So here a8 equal to what? X. Right? An is x. So n is what? 8. So 8 equal to x. And a8 means what? You know formula. This is the formula. An equal to a plus n minus 1d. That is nth term of any AP is what? A plus n minus 1d. So here 8, so we can write a plus 8 minus 1, 7. A plus 7d. So this is a plus 7d equal to. Now we know a is 1 and this is d. D is what? D have we 5. So d is here what? That is 5. So 1 plus 7 into 5. So we will get 1 plus 35 equal to x. So x equal to what? 36. So our correct answer is what? 36 is our right answer. See the next question. The next question is what? If first terms of an AP is 2 and sum of the first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 of the sum of next 5 terms, then find the sum of the first 30 term. So what is given here? Here given first term of an AP, suppose A1. So A1 is given 2 and sum of first 5 term. So suppose our term is what? A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. These are the first 5 term. So sum of first 5 term is equal to 1/4, that is 1/4 of sum of next 5 term. That means A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. Right? It is given. Now you know sum of the first 5 terms is known as what? Sn. So we can write here S5. Right? And this equal to what? 1/4. Now you see here A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. Right? So when we add here, the number is what? You see A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. And here number is what? A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay. So you can write here what? So first you write now see the next question. The next question is what? If first term of an AP is 2 and the sum of first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 of the sum of next 5 term, then find the sum of first 30 term. So here what is given? The first term given A1 equal to 2 and second is what? Sum of first 5 term, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. This equal to what? 1/4 of next 5 term. So A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. Right? Now we can write this is the 4. So just cross multiply. We will get what? 4 multiply A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 and plus A5. This equal to what? A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. Right? Now you know the sum of the first 5 terms. So sum of the first 5 terms, here we are going for is sum of next 5 terms, A6 to A10. So when we add here, this is what? S1. So this is A1, A2, this, so A5. So we can write what here? So this is 4S5. Right? This is what? 4S5. And when we will add here A1, A2, A3, we add both sides. here A1, A2, A3, and here also you add A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Then it become what? A to 10, right? So here already 4 into S5. So we are adding S5 both sides. So here 1 more S5, and here total number is what? S10, because sum of the 10 terms, because here A1, A2, A3 to 10. Here only A6, so we are adding A1 to A5. That means adding S5. So S5 this side and S5 this side. So it become what? S10. Now we will write 5 S5 and this equal to S10. So you know the formula. S5 is what? Sn. So Sn is what? N by 2. So this is 5 by 2 into 2a. So a already given 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 1d. So n is what? Here 5. So n is what? 5. So that is 4 into d. That is common difference is not given. So again listen. This is 5. S5 means sum of 5 terms. So 5 by 2, n by 2. 2a. So 2 into a is 2, 2 2 is 4. Plus n minus 1. So n is what? 5. So that is 5 minus 1, 4 into d. And this equal to S10. So n by 2, 10 by 2. Into 2a. So 2 into 2, 4. Plus n minus 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. So this is 90. So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 90. Now we can solve this number. This is 25 by 2. And here 4 plus 4d. And this side, this is 2, 5s are 10. And this is 4 plus 90. Right? Now we can write very easily. 25 into 4 is what? 100. 25 into 4 is what? 100. And this is 2, so 2 5s are 10. So 10 into 4, 40. And 10 into 9, 90. So now you see, this is 100d and this is 90. So we will get what? 100d minus 90d. That means what? 10d. And this equal to 40 minus 100. So 40 minus 100, we will get what? That is minus 60. So this 0 cancel, we will get what? D equal to what? Minus 6. Now we have to find what? Find the sum of first 30 terms. So we have to find sum of first 30 terms. So sum of first 30 terms is what? We have to find S30. So S30 sum will be what? N by 2, that is 30 by 2. Into 2a, so 2 2s are 4. Plus n minus 1, that is 29. And into d, d is what? Minus 6. Right? So now you see here, this is 15 and this is 4 minus 29 into 6 is what? 6 9 are 54, carry 5. 6 2 are 12 and 5 17. Now you see this is 15 multiply. Here we will get what? Minus 170. So 15 0 0, 15 7 are 100, 5 10, 15 1 are 15, 10 25. So correct answer is what? Minus 2550. Minus 2550 is our correct answer. Now see the third question. Third question is the sum of the first P, Q, R terms of AP are ABC respectively. Then show that. So it is given sum of first P term. That means SP equal to given what? A. And you know SP formula is what? N by 2. So P by 2 into 2A. So here we are writing first term capital A. So N by 2, P by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1. So N is what here? P. So we will write P minus 1 into D. And this is given what? A. Right? And now you see here we have to find A by P. So you write here A by P. So A by P equal to what? So this is A upon P. So we will get, this is 2A by 2, that is A, plus P minus 1 by 2D. Okay, na? SP is A. So formula is n by 2, p by 2. 2a is first term, so here first term is a. Plus n minus 1, n is p, so p minus 1. D is common difference, this is given what? A. Now here we have to prove a by p, so first we are finding a by p. So a by p is what? A plus p minus 1. So this p come here, a upon p. And now 2a plus p minus 1 d by 2. So 2a by 2 is a, and here p minus 1 by 2d. In the similarly, this is the first equation. Now you see second, sum of q terms. It is given how much? B. So your formula is what? Q by 2 into 2a plus this is q minus 1 into d, and this is given how much? B. So we have to find b by q. So again this is b by q equal to what? A plus q minus 1 by 2d. This is the equation part. Now you see it is given what? Sum of rth term. So this is what? Sum of rth term is given what? C. So we can write r by 2 into 2a plus r minus 1 into d, and this equal to what? C. So we can write directly here, that is C upon r, and this equal to C by r equal to what? This is 2a by 2, so we will get a. R minus 1, this is what? R minus 1 by d. R minus 1 and divided by 2, and this is d. This is given what? C. This is the equation third, right? Now you see, so we have to find LHS. A by P, Q minus R, B by Q, R minus P, C by R, P minus Q. So if we are finding A by P into Q minus R, so here A by P, and we have to find what? Q minus R. So here A upon P into Q minus R. So A by P into Q minus R plus, this is the LHS, right? A by P Q minus R plus again this is B by Q, and this is what? R minus P, and this is C by R, and into is what? P minus Q. So now you see this is A by P. So A by P format is what? A plus P minus 1 by 2D. So we have to multiply this number by what? That is Q minus R, right? In the same way we have B by Q. So my B by Q is what? A plus, and this is Q minus 1 by 2D. So we have to multiply this number, right? That is B by Q into R minus P. So we have multiply R minus P. Now this is plus C by R. So C by R value is what? A plus R minus 1 by 2 into D. So we have to multiply this number by P minus Q, right? Now you see, if we multiply A to Q, we will get what? AQ. Similarly, A to minus R, we will get what? Minus R. Now this is P minus 1 by 2 into Q minus R, right? So we are taking D common, and here P minus 1 by 2 into Q minus R. So we will get what? First we are going for P minus Q. So this is what? PQ. So this is PQ minus PR. And again this is minus Q and plus R, and divided by 2. Okay. In the same way, so this is next. Next is what? Here. A plus Q minus 1 by 2 into R minus P. So when we are multiplying this, so we will get what? AR minus EP. And now we are multiplying this number. So again this D is common. Now we are multiplying this number q minus 1 by 2 to r minus p. So first we are going for q. So this is what? qr. Again this is what? Minus pq. And now this is what? Minus 1. So minus r plus p. So this is minus r plus p and divided by 2. Similarly, last steps here, a plus r minus 1 by 2d into p minus q. So first a to p minus q. So we will get what? ap minus eq. ap minus eq. Then again there is a d. So d is common. And now you see here, so this is r into p. So we will get what? pr. And r into minus q will get what? Minus qr. Minus 1 into p will get minus p. Minus 1 into minus q will get what? Plus q. And divided by 2. Now you see, when we adding all this number, so here aq positive, here aq negative. So this will be cancel out. Here minus ar negative and here ar positive. This is also cancel out. Here minus ap and here plus ap. So this is also cancel out, right? Now here d common, d common, d common. So now you see every denominator is 2. So LCM is 2 we are doing. So this is PQ positive and here you see PQ negative. So this is also cancel out. Minus PR negative and here PR positive. Again here minus Q. So here minus Q and here also plus Q, cancel out. Here plus R and here you see this is minus Q plus R. And here we are getting what? Minus 1. So here in this second one, so we are multiplying this QR minus P and minus R plus P. So this is what? Minus R. So this minus R and this plus R will be cancelled out. So where the next you see plus R this and minus R this cancel out. Now you see here this is QR and here positive, here negative, cancel out. Now you see here my number is what? Minus P and any other number plus P. See here PQ minus PR minus Q plus R. Here plus P and here minus P. So this is also cancelled out. So what we got? D into 0, that is 0. In this way we can solve this type of the question. So simple technique, use sum of formulas, Sn formula, we will get A by P. And then A by P multiply Q minus R, B by Q multiply R minus P, C by R multiply P minus Q. When we multiply, it is also very easy. A by P, so this is A by P for value. From first A plus P minus 1 by 2 into T, right? Into Q minus R. Similarly, you multiply. Now A multiply Q minus R, so AQ minus AR. P minus 1 by 2D multiply Q minus R, so D is common, so D by 2 is common. So PQ minus PR, so we have written here